Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you how I bleached my closure to look like this. Alright everyone, the hair that I'll be using is from Yiroo Hair Company and it is their Brazilian straight, and this is how the hair came. The bundles look good, the closure looks good. And here are the items I'll be using. I have the bleach, which is the Clairol. I have the 30 developer. We have a brush, our comb, and our container. So we're going to start by putting the bleach into the container. Now it's just a little part of the closure I'm bleaching, so I'm not using all of the bleach, just a little bit. And our 30 developer. So we just want to mix it together so it's like a little, not too much of a paste, but not runny either. And now we're just going to section off the part of our closure that we want to use. So we got our two pieces that we're going to be bleaching, one on each side. Then we're just going to add our bleach. And I'm not going all the way up to the top. And I'm just going to scatter it so it doesn't have an even line. And we're just going to comb through the bleach to make sure it gets all the strands of the hair. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side.
I want you to know, me just want you to know, just want you to know, send me want you, just want you to know, send me need you, just want you to know, send me love you, send me love you.
And now we're just going to get the foil paper and wrap the hair in the foil paper. And we're going to let it sit on the hair for about 40 minutes. And here's the color that it turned. And now it's time to rinse and shampoo.
Girl, I just need you to stay true to me. Yeah, stay true. And I just need you to keep your eyes on me. I just want to tell you that you're my perfect girl. And baby girl, if there's anything I want you to know, I just want you to know, just want you to know. Send me why you, just want you to know. Yeah, me send me need you, just want you to know. Send me love you, send me love you. Well, alright now, just want you to know. Send me why you, just want you to know.
Alright you guys, here's the finished look of my bleaching my closure, just the front part. Like I told you, I wanted to try a different style and I think it turned out very nice. I like how it looks, yeah. Now this hair that I have, and like I told you, is from Yiroo Hair Company on Amazon, and I have in there Brazilian straight in the lengths 18, 16, 14, and a 14-inch closure. Yeah. So what do you guys think? Do you think it turned out nice? I love it. I love how it turned out. I think it looks very nice. Okay, now I have been rocking this hair for 1 week now. 1 week, yeah. And so far, so good. The hair is still soft, still manageable. I love it. And when I washed it, you know, there was no shedding. When I washed it, when I washed the bundles, there was no coloring coming out, so that's good. I like that. And the hair is still nice and soft, you guys. And all I did was I just flat ironed it. With my flat iron, it's I believe it's a Remington either Remington or Revlon flat iron. I also don't remember which company, but I got it at Walmart. Yeah. And I just flat ironed it because it is straight. It is the Brazilian straight, so I just flat ironed and I washed it. And I think the color turned out very nice. Let's see the color. It's like a brownish blonde color. I like it. That's the color I was looking for. I didn't want no bright blonde, so I washed it out when it got to the tone that I wanted. Yeah, which was about, I think about 40 minutes or so, you guys. From when I start to when I washed it out, I think it was about around 40 minutes. And I'm not getting any tangling or matting. Like, with the no tangling area, like again, I think it's because I'm off the shoulder. So there's nothing causing friction at the back of my head to make the girl. Yeah. Okay, Petal. There's nothing rubbing against the hair at the back to cause friction. So I'm not getting any tangling in the nape area with this hair off the shoulder tops. Yeah. Yeah, so I love the hair. It's still nice and soft, very manageable. And I love the length, the 18. Dealing with Yiroo Hair Company was a pleasure. I ordered hair from them before, and I find them to have nice quality hair, so that's why I order from them again. And the shipping is fast. Like I told you, Amazon, their shipping is very fast on Amazon. And you know, I'm in Canada and I get my package really fast, so that's good. If you're in America, you'll get it even faster. But I'm in Canada and the shipping is very fast, so I appreciate that. I'm absolutely in love with the way I dyed the hair, you guys, with just a little bit of color in the closure. It is so nice. It's so nice. It's so subtle, and it turned out nicer than I expected. I'm not having any problems with it. The hair is giving me life. It's nice and soft. It's not matting. It's not tangling. Yeah, I love it. I love this Brazilian straight from Yiroo Hair Company. Like, you know, I've done their curly hair and I like it, and now I'm doing the straight and I'm absolutely pleased with it. I am. The texture is so nice and soft, you know, and I'm not getting any shedding. No, I did get a bit of shedding after I bleached this part of the hair when I was rinsing it, as you can see, as you saw. I'm not sure if you saw, but when I was rinsing it, I got some of these colors coming up. And I think it's because I bleached it, but it wasn't very much. Nothing to be alarmed, nothing to be alarmed about, so I don't mind. I am absolutely pleased with this hair. It's nice, it's soft, it's manageable, it's flowing. Let me show you the back. See, it's bouncy and nice. Yiroo Hair Company, and the lengths I have in are 18, 16, 14, and a 14-inch closure. I'm going to leave a link below to Yiroo Hair Company on Amazon, so you guys can go over there, check them out, get some Brazilian straights for yourself. Yeah, and remember they have other textures over there for you to check out and like, and get something nice for yourself. Like I always say, ladies and gents, get what you like, fix yourself up, and make you happy, because that's all that matters. Alright everyone, thank you for coming on and seeing my new style that I did today with my Brazilian straight from Yiroo Hair Company. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye everyone.